Okay folks, we're back out here today to go ahead and finish up this painting project on the boat. We're going to see how far we can get. We've got in some more paint. He started off with one can just to do the decals and the sides, but that didn't last very long. Was going to wait till the winter to do this project, but I had come so far I decided to go ahead and finish it up. Notice we got on safety glasses this time, because as one of my viewers pointed out, I did not wear safety glasses when sanding the other day. So Mom, Dad, I have glasses on. Let's get started. We've got a trigger little sprayer thing here that I think used these before. They make this a whole lot easier. And if I can find it somewhere, got a piece of cardboard that's going to facilitate this. All right, let's get started. Ready. You're gonna get a little paint on us. All right, let's keep working our way around the boat. Okay, let's starting to look good. Let's move around. We'll do the back. Got the motor pulled off so I don't miss nothing here. Transom really needs replacing, so we're not going to obsess over the color on the transom too much. Cover up the Coast Guard decal so we don't paint over that. Alrighty, we can start to come together. Okay. That's looking better and better all the time. Good thing I bought 6 cans. All right, moving. I'm really pleased with the way that's coming together. All right, that's the end of that can. Let's get another one and we'll finish up. Alrighty, folks. This boat is finished being painted. We've done the outside, the inside, 2 coats. And I have to say, it looks good. Even if I did paint it myself. We got all down on the inside, all that's been painted. We'll probably have to go back and touch up a little bit. But I like the color. I like the way it came out. We'll come back tomorrow. We'll let this dry for the next 24 hours. And then we'll come put our motor and all the other accessories back on. But I am very happy with the way this turned out. We put some extra heavy coats in the flooring where it gets a lot of traffic. But I am very pleased with the color, and I look forward to getting this thing in the water on Friday. So until next time, thank you all for watching.